Welcome to our YouTube channel, me Madan. Today, I'm going to tell you about Microsoft Windows 11. I will insert this USB device on my laptop. I will press F9 because it's so here F9 boot menu. You can see here the OS boot manager UEFI Windows boot manager 128 GB and then USB hard drive UEFI genetic flash disk. We have Windows 11 in this drive. Okay, so that we have to select this one. So I will select this one and press enter. Wait for a while. Now came here, just press next and then install now. I don't have product key now, so that why I select I don't have product key. I'll try to install Windows 11 Pro and 64-bit. Next, accept, next, and then upgrade, install Windows, keep file setting and application. It means before we have Windows 10. So if you don't want to format this laptop, or if you don't want to remove file from the laptop, then you can upgrade and install Windows. Otherwise, if you want to change or if you want to format the laptop, then you have to select custom installation. Whatever you want, you can do it. If you don't like to format, then back this one and upgrade. But I want to format this laptop, that's why I will click on custom installation. My system drive, here is system drive, so that I will delete this one drive and then make it okay. Now my drive is here, and then I will delete this one also. Delete. Okay. Down also again. Reserve system my drive. Delete. Okay. Again down. 41 MB. Delete. Okay. Now I have a 100 system recovery also. This is also no need, so that I will make it delete this one also. Now I have a 119 GB hard drive in my system, my laptop, so that I will make a new one, this one, and then click on apply. Okay. Now I have 119 GB. I will make this one format. After format, I will click next. Now Windows 11 is start to install on my laptop. You can see here 100% getting file ready for installation.
Thank you. Welcome.
select here United States and S. Now US S. Want to edit a second keyboard layout? Not now, skip. You want to connect the internet? Okay, I will connect this one. I'll put password. This one is a Wi-Fi password. Next. And then next. Saying here, please keep your PC on. The PC will restart before you continue. Just a moment. Now again it's restart. Now name of device, I will type HP and then press next. Again it became restart. Now set up personal use, set up work or school. I'll set up personal use and then press next. Now so many options are here. You have to sign in here. Microsoft, access Microsoft 365 free. Sign in, need to sign in, so that I will make sign in here. I have to put my Microsoft email address here. If you don't have a Microsoft email address, then you have to create it. Okay, and then next, and then sign in. Now continue. Now create pin. Okay, I will create pin of this one. This pin is used for while logging in Windows 11. Okay, I will type any key. Include letter and symbol. Save. Next. Next. Accept. Skip this one. Use your phone from PC. Skip also this one. Skip. Not now. Continue. Here is given that if you choose this one, Microsoft 365, it can also be a free. You can use free 1 month. I didn't want this one, so that's why I will back it this one and decline Microsoft 365, and then decline 100 GB free cloud source, free email, access, support, export. Maybe this will take also charge. If it will take charge, then here you can see here add a new payment method, so that one I'll make it decline. I will not pay anything now. Use Word, Excel, PowerPoint for free. 365, get 5 GB free cloud storage. Manage your day with workout. Next, and then skip now, no need Netflix. Now your window is going to be finished of installation. Checking for Windows update. It will take time also. Now it's almost finished to installation of Windows 11 on this PC, AMD Ryzen 5 3500U. Before I show you on here Windows 10, now here is Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.